How to file a case for slander in the UAE. The difference between the legal definitions of slander and libel. Slander and libel are said to occur when someone makes a false statement about you, which potentially damages your reputation. Let us first understand the difference between libel and slander. Both are concerned with instances of defamation. However, from a legal point of view, they are very distinct. Though both libel and slander constitute defamation statements, libel constitutes a defamatory statement that is in a written form, while slander constitutes an oral defamatory statement. In this video, we will discuss how you can take legal action and also how to claim damages when facing such instances. Understanding defamation and its legal consequences in the UAE. Defamation under UAE laws constitutes a criminal offence. Article 425 of Federal Decree Law No. 31 of 2021 on the issuance of crimes and penalties law, UAE Penal Code, states that any person defaming another person in any way publicly by inputting a fact to which may render him subject to punishment or contempt shall be liable to a jail sentence for a period not exceeding 2 years, or a fine not exceeding 20,000 dirhams. The penalty shall be a jail sentence and a fine, or either one of these two penalties, if the defamation, qazf, is committed against a public official or a person assigned to a public service during or by reason or in the course of fulfillment of the public office or service, or if the act is against decency or the reputation of families, or if achieving an unlawful purpose is intended. If the defamation, qazf, is committed by way of publishing in any newspaper or publication, such matter shall be considered an aggravating circumstance. Further, Article 427 of the UAE Penal Code specifically covers the instances of slander, where the act of defamation or insult is being committed by telephone or in the face of the victim and the presence of a third party. The law imposes a penalty for slanderous acts, even when the same is committed in the absence of a witness to testify on the occurrence. The penalty imposed includes a fine of up to 5,000 dirhams, wherein the slander is caused in the face of the victim but in the absence of a third party, witness. Defamation may entail civil claims. Apart from the criminal penalty for an act of slander, the victim may also be able to claim civil damages. In such instances, the civil court will calculate damages based on two factors: whether the damages are quantifiable in nature or unquantifiable. A plaintiff in a defamation case might be able to claim quantified damages by showcasing actual loss caused to his earnings, loss in business, loss of opportunity, etc., due to the direct effect of such slanderous action. On the other hand, when the nature of the damage is unquantifiable, such as when a person suffers from emotional and mental anguish, loss of confidence, sleep disorders, etc., it is not easy to quantify such damages, as there do not exist any direct measuring parameters to quantify this, and therefore it will be subject to the discretion of the judge. Instances of slander due to the oral nature of the act are increasingly hard to prove. However, the criminal courts will take into account corroborative evidence in the form of witness testimony and other contributing factors that support the claim of the victim.
For more of our latest updates, like and subscribe to this channel.